Welcome to Kingornan, China's most trusted LED magnetic track lighting manufacturer. We are the reliable source of high-quality, diverse LED magnetic track lighting in the market. Why is Kingornan the top magnetic track light manufacturer in China? We offer a comprehensive range of magnetic track lighting systems, compatible with other magnetic track lights from various suppliers. We provide OEM, ODM, SKD services, offering free logo printing on our products, and customized brand packaging according to customer needs.
Our products have found homes in North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, South America, Russian-speaking countries and other regions.
And we offer a 2, 3, 5 years warranty program. We enjoy long-term cooperation with clients around the globe, supplying them with high-quality, cost-effective magnetic track lights that cater to their market demand. Kingornan is backed by more than a decade of deep experience in commercial lighting. In 2019, we established a dedicated magnetic track lighting production workshop, catering to 80+ customers. We choose top brands like Osram, Philips, and CREE for our chips to ensure the quality of magnetic lights. We also offer numerous high-quality intelligent magnetic track lighting system solutions like 2.4G TUYA Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and ZIGBEE Smart. Our magnetic linear track light has obtained CE, ERP, and other certifications. We can follow the corresponding certification according to your market needs, such as CSA, SASO, ZIGBEE, and more. Finding a magnetic track lighting manufacturer, supplier, or factory shouldn't be a difficult task. Kingornan offers high-quality magnetic lights along with the best service. If you're in search of a magnetic light supplier, feel free to reach out to us.